You don't have to throw that old wig out. Just give it another try. Give it a chance. Give it a second chance. You need some rescuing. Look at that. Yeah, not good. So, but I have this John Frieda product here. I don't know if you can see this properly. So, and also this oil. And that's my detangling brush for this particular hair. So the next thing I'm going to do is fill this bucket with hot water. I need to check the temperature. So let's wait for the water to fill in, then you can proceed. So I'm going to leave this here for a couple of minutes and then we'll get back to it. But for now, we have to wait for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah. It doesn't look good. It's so dirty and unsightly. So we need to rinse this out and next we move on to conditioning the hair. So guys, this is the part where I get to rinse out the shampoo from the hair. So this might take a while. You need to actually scrub it, not too hard and not too much of that. And you have to be careful of the frontal. You know the net is fragile, so you can't be too hard on it when you're doing it. Just take your time. So I'm done washing it. So I'm gonna let the water dry off a bit before I apply the John Frieda conditioner. So I'll be going in with the conditioner, with the John Frieda conditioner. So you need to apply generously amount on your fingers, and then you have to rub this on the hair evenly. You know, do it on the lower part from the top to the underneath of the back. You know, just take your time, apply ease on it, and you know, use your fingers to stretch it out, to, you know, comb it through, let it sink into every hose of that hair, every weft of the hair. Just like I'm doing it, it's very vital, so that can help you detangle, you know, part of the tangled areas. So you want to do that easily, gently, you know, just take your time. It might take a while, probably about 5 minutes or more. I don't know, it depends on how tangled or how old your hair is. And sometimes you might need to add more conditioner to soften it out. So this is me doing what, you know, I've seen so far on YouTube. I have no idea whatsoever on styling hair or whatsoever. I'm just going with my gut. And my key, there is no harm in trying. You know, when you try something new, is either you learn a lesson from it, that is when you fail, or you you succeed there. Either way, you learn something new. So this is me going with my gut and trying something, you know, like I say, like they say, you only live once. So try new things, challenge yourself. And once you are done, it's very important for you to clean off the sink. Like, you know, we don't like dirty stuff around. It's not healthy and it's not good. You don't want to block that part. So take off the extra air and, you know, just wrap it together, you know, clean off all these areas. Yeah, keep those places tidy. So once that's done and it has stayed for a while, then you want to rinse out the conditioner from the hair. So by this time, you notice that it has become so soft and a bit moisturized, you know, silky, kind of like the John Frieda conditioner is the it. Like it's as in, I really like this conditioner. It can, you know, revive any dead hair for sure. So, you know, be generous with the water. Just keep doing that, and this is what it looks like. So we have to let this sit and let it dry for about a few minutes before we proceed. Welcome back finally. So the hair is almost dry, not really dry but like per se. And the next thing I'm going to be doing is, obviously, I'm going to be brushing this. So you may decide to use this type of brush, or you can decide to go with this type of comb. But I think I'll be using both because it's been a while I've used the wig. So I'm gonna be wearing this. So yeah, it looks funny, right? Yeah, I know. Just, you know, be patient, you know, give me time to touch this up. Guess, and don't forget, like I mentioned, I have no idea prior to this. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not a professional hairstylist or anything like that, but I've always had this saying, like, there's no harm in trying. So guys, so right in front of me here, I have a mirror. You can't actually see because I need something to guide me through, and I'm actually filming this with my iPhone, so let's be calming down. So I'll be going in with this Schwarzkopf. I don't know if the pronunciation is right, but pardon me, no. Anyway, I'll be going in with this, and it's actually super light. I don't know if I should be using this or not, but regardless, I like the way it smells. And here is Naturals by Watson. It's in Turkey, and this is olive oil. So I was told that it's 100% organic, so we'll be applying this and this on the hair. So I'm going in with this first. This actually is going to wet it and give it like a, you know, moist kind of, I don't know, but I like it. It smells like heaven. Like, oh my god, you should try it out. Oh my god. So, okay, so what I want to do next is, I don't want it to be that much, you know, the part I'll be cutting out, I don't want it to be that much, too busy, or anything like that. I just want it to, just, you know, enough to make me look good. So guys, this is actually inspired by Dodo's, as in I am Dodo's. I don't even know her. She's a big makeup artist in Nigeria, and she's also a YouTuber. So I saw her, you know, do some, you know, I saw her make something with her old weave, and I'm like, girl, try that. It makes you look like us. Am I correct? Yeah. So, and this is the scary part. Jesus, Jesus. So should I do it? Okay. I hope this is not too much, guys, right? It's not, right? Okay. Okay, so what's done is done. So this is what it looks like, and that's not good enough, so I think we have to kind of like snip this. I'm not seeing properly, but wow, this is harder than I thought. So it will have that sharp look, like the edges won't be sharp and look, you know, ras or whatever. I don't know how to pronounce it or to describe it. But I knew she did something like this on a video, you know, to slim. I think it's actually to slim the edges and make it look more natural and not look, you know, tacky. Yeah, I think that's the idea she was going for. Ouch. Sorry. Okay, guys. Going back with a white brush. Yeah. Oh yeah. Give it to me. Yeah. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Give it. Wait, I've not finished. Behave yourself. Okay. So I think it looks much better. So I'll be going in with the olive oil. 100% olive oil. you know, one day and I'm sure it's going to become a professional. So there is hope for me. Yeah. There is hope for me. There is hope for me. All you have to do is try. There is hope for me. So guys, tell me this doesn't look good. I'm looking pang. You feel me? So you don't have to throw that old wig out. Just give it another try. Give it a chance. Give it a second chance. You understand? Because you want to look popping like this. You feel me? Oh yeah. It's like, and oh yeah. Chick. Every day we slay. 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 Alright guys, I'm actually having fun with this, so can't wait to rock this, but oh god, I have nowhere to go. That's the sad news. So I'm gonna get my fine ass. I'll be on the couch and I'll be watching Netflix, but I'm gonna have my wig on, most definitely. Now sometimes we need to look good for ourselves. Like if we don't, so else, so are we gonna look good for? So guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like, comment and share this video. I love you so much. Thanks for always being there for me. So guys, turn on your notification bell as well, so when we drop it like result, you're gonna be part of the first set of people that watch our video. So guys, thank you so much. I love you. Girl, I just wanna make you up. Girl, I just wanna make you like. Girl, I just wanna make you like. You my bashing baby, this kind of life. I don't understand this about. Gotcha.